equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, power off your laptop and unplug it. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the laptop. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover. This will give you access to the internal components. Now, let's focus on the keyboard. Check for any visible damage or debris. Use the soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean around the keys. If you notice any sticky keys, this is the time to address them. For a complete replacement, disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Replace it with the new keyboard, ensuring it's securely connected. Reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps. Replace the back cover and screws. Power on your device to test the new keyboard. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure transparency. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.